Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing the June 2020, which is Moonbox. Let's check it out. All right. Symbols. This is my oracle card for today. Theme is the Hanged Herb. I call upon the elements of nature for guidance and support. The Rose of Jericho. Desiccation. Interesting. So drying of something. Okay, so we have laurel leaf, so bay laurel, bay leaves. It says minquette. Oh, cloves. We've got clarity clove. I love clove. We've got Airmid's embrace. We have probably a Rose of Jericho here. Let's pull it out though. Yep. Oh, I ripped the bag. God bless Marvel. The big one. We've got some twine. Hearth. Let's smell that because I love the fires places. Does not smell like what I would think of the fireplace, but I'm interested to know what they put in it. My knife's not very sharp, good lord. A beautiful red beeswax candle. Just arrange myself a little bit better so we can get everything in frame. And then let's just put this here and put these items here. Yes. That way we can see all the items. And then let me just clear out the little Billy Bobbers. And trying to clean up as I go. So this, this is one thing that I did get an actual spoiler for. Otherwise, I would not know what I'm looking at. But I do know that it's for herb drying. And so basically, it's just a really pretty moon face with hooks here. You can hang it, then you hang your herbs. I personally dry my herbs different, but usually because I have very, very large quantities of herbs. This will be nice because sometimes, you know, things don't go like planned, and even though I planted so many chamomiles this year, none of them survived. And same thing with white sage. I actually grew white sage from seed this year, and none of them survived. So those things I can purchase at the market and then in smaller quantities and bundle them. The other thing is it's not uncommon to cleanse with hierbas, herbs, and to make bundles wrapped in red string. And so this is also a really nice place to hang something like that. But let's look at the insert. As the wind battered on the window as a reminder of everlasting movement and change, the solitude which took a deep and soothing breath. The wonders of nature surrounded her house as if to create an embrace, promising fulfillment to any pursuit. Within the comfort of her space, she reached for a delicate bundle of herbs that were hung to dry. She knew exactly their purpose and how their energy would coincide with hers. She finds comfort in this sacred companionship and dives into the abundance of magic that is provided to her by spirits that surround. In this extremely exclusive and one-of-a-kind collection, we provide such unique tools to assist you in connecting with all nature that surrounds you. We work with these earthly elements to strengthen our bond and fortify our influence on our current realities. Join us this June as we pursue manifestation through intentional ritual and crafting. The magical items in this box are as follows. So the moon face carved and stained herb drying rack. It's crafted from the fallen Albizia chinesis tree. Attached a black rope. 6 hooks where you can hang herbs. Cool. So a twine bundle to assist you in creating bundles of herbs. A desiccation book of shadows reference artwork created exclusively for this very collection. The beautiful and inspired desiccation book of shadows artwork provides essential recommendations for drying a variety of natural elements, including leaves, flowers, seeds, fruits, roots, and bark. Very good. Hand rolled. I'm actually just stunned because I've never seen this. It was written and illustrated by A.E. Alden. Do not make coffees, not for resale. Interesting. I've never seen that on there before. Hand rolled, the Sacred Cottage Spell Candle. So it includes oils of cinnamon, almond, clove, and anise. Okay, the Rose of Jericho, also known as the resurrection plant. The herbal grimoire artwork about the Rose of Jericho. The Hearth magical anointing oil, which is basil, clove, almond, and black pepper oils, and it has olive leaf, lavender, and sage herbs, as well as a tiger's eye chip and a home blessing magical oil. Herbal companion sigil artwork, which was this. Clove herb, laurel leaf or bay, clarity, clove ritual incense sticks, Airmid's embrace sacred salt. Airmid in Irish mythology was one of the Tuath de Danann. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. It is said that Airmid wept over her brother's grave as the tears fell from her face. All of the healing herbs of the world sprouted over her brother's body. So this one has basil, sweet orange, and cedarwood oils, as well as marigold, dandelion leaf, and plantain herbs. It also has Gaia's messenger magical oil. The personalized oracle reading is from the Flower of Life, Wisdom of Astar oracle cards, and of course, parchment paper. Very cool box. I do dry my herbs. I do grow a lot of herbs. I have a bay laurel and a juniper tree, so I get a lot of those. As well as rosemary, lavender, mullein, sage. My mint died, which is really bizarre. St. John's wort I have, hawthorn, brambles, just a ton everywhere, all over the place. Herbs. And I do dry them. Rose petals. Pretty sure I got a lot of thyme, oregano, marjoram. They're all over the place. So this will be helpful in drying. Usually I do a huge amount and I put them in paper bags laid flat, and they dry out really well that way as well. But however you do it is, you know, good. Just whatever's going to work so that it dries nicely and it doesn't get moldy is always the intent. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.